Hi everyone and welcome back to the Friesen kitchen. I'm Annika and today we are going to make my kids' favorite meal. It's crispy chicken tenders with oven baked potatoes. I'm going to break down the recipe into two parts. First, we're going to take care of the potatoes and then we will do the chicken. So for the potatoes, you will need 28 ounces of potato, and I've got a medley here, but you can choose any kind you like. 3 tablespoons of flour, and it's underneath all the spices. 2 teaspoons of paprika powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 6 tablespoons of olive oil. So first, season your potatoes, add the olive oil, then use a spatula to combine it all. The potatoes are done. Now I'm going to spread them evenly on a baking sheet. Then I bake them in a preheated oven for 30 minutes. After 15 minutes, I like to turn them over and bake them for additional 15 minutes. And while we're waiting for our potatoes, we're going to make our crispy chicken tenders. So for the breading station, you will need 1 cup of flour, 2 eggs, 1 cup of plain panko crumbs, 1 teaspoon of each salt, paprika, and black pepper, 1 tablespoon of whole milk, 2 pounds of chicken tenders, and some salt to season the chicken. Before I start breading the chicken, I like to season it with half a teaspoon of salt. Now add a tablespoon of whole milk to the eggs, and then mix until well combined. Combine your seasonings, then add a third to your flour, the second third to your eggs, and the last third to your panko crumbs. And now comes the fun part, the breading. And to make life much easier, place all your chicken tenders and the flour in a Ziploc bag, shake it around until the chicken is evenly coated with the flour, then take one piece at a time, dip it into the egg wash, and last but not least, into your panko crumbs. Repeat this process until all your chicken tenders are coated. The chicken is all breaded. Now, there are several ways to cook the chicken. You can either deep fry them or choose the more healthier options, which is the air fryer or the oven. But today I'm going to deep fry them. Deep fry the chicken on one side for 4 minutes, then turn them around and cook them for 4 additional minutes. Now transfer your chicken to a paper towel lined plate to drain until we are ready to serve. And now we are ready to dig in. We can't wait, we're so hungry. And I hope you make this dish, and if so, take a photo, tag me in it, and post it on Instagram. I love to see your creation. And you can find the recipe down below in the description box. And on this button here, on your right-hand side, you can subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!